In this problem, we're going to look at how to solve a problem involving exponential radioactive decay. Radioactive decay in general follows the form some initial quantity times an amount. Typically we do something like this. In this particular problem for Math Excel, we're going to be doing 100 4 to the power of 4 to the power of 0.5 t. There's a minus right there. Okay. Now you'll notice, the problem asks us how much is there after 0 months. After 2 months, after 10 months. Now, this is, once you set the problem up, relatively should be straightforward. You plug the number in. Okay, so you'll notice for 0 months, we put 0 in. 0 times 0.5, negative 0.5, we get 0. 4 to the power of 0 is 1, so we get 100, 4 to the power of 0, just becomes 1, we get 100. Okay? So the amount we start off with is the amount we start off with. So, in this case, this was 100 grams of whatever material. We have 100 grams left at time 0. After 2 months, in this case the half-life, this appears to be about a month. Okay, so after 2 months we have 100 times 4, and of course, this could be any number right here. Typically, in science, we use the number e, but in this case, we're just using 4. 4 times negative 0.5 times 2, so we get. Oh, I think I said the half-life was. Never mind, sorry. Okay, so we have 0.5 times 2, I guess it's negative 1. So we have 100 times 4 to the negative 1. 4 to the negative 1, that's really 100 divided by 4. So 25 grams. Since we started off with 100 grams, we now have 25. Okay. Likewise, 10 months. Straightforward. 100. 4 times negative 0.5 times 10. We get 100 times 4 to the negative 0.5 times 10 gives us negative 5, or 100 over 4 to the 5th power. And now the first two I can do off the top of my head. This one I'll need to pull a calculator out. Okay, so 100 times 4, 100 divided by 4 to the 5th power. That's 100, that's the number. 100 over 4, sorry. We get 0.0976. So we're going to end up with basically, round that off to 0.1. So yeah, there's not much left. That's how you solve a radioactive decay problem. It should be straightforward. Keep in mind what everything means and the basics.